Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, 7th class students. Ma'am Fatma here. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Hopefully, you are fine too and paying attention towards your studies. This is the third lecture of SST in which we will study chapter number 3, Agricultural Products of the Muslim World. Dear students, open page number 10. If we see the title of the chapter number 3, Main Agriculture Products of the Muslim World, we firstly know what is meant by agriculture. Agriculture is a profession of growing crops. Agriculture is the main occupation of the majority of people living in the Muslim world. These countries produces variety of agriculture products. The main points of wool: Kazakhstan produces high quality, Pakistan, Turkey produces harder and rougher wool used to make carpets, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkey and Central Asian states produces about 10% of the wool of total world. Students, open page number 11. Main points of cotton: it is a world's leading crop. It is used to make clothes. It can be made into the thinnest and finest fabric. It is comfortable to wear in hot climates. 20% of the cotton produces in the Muslim countries. Main points of sugar: obtained from juice of sugarcane. Remains of sugarcane called bagasse, used in confectionaries and cakes. Remains used as animal food and building ceiling. Pakistan produces about 3.4% of the world's sugar. World's largest producer is Brazil, which produces about 33% of the total sugar. Dear students, open page number 12. Main points of rubber: used to make tires. Best quality found in tropical forests. Malaysia and Indonesia produces in the Muslim world, as well as produces by Sri Lanka and India. The fourth agriculture product of Muslim world is rubber. It is mainly used to make tires, hose pipes, belts for machinery, shoes, and as insulator in electronic equipments. There are two types of rubber: natural rubber and synthetic rubber. We get natural rubber from the sap of trees in the tropical forest, and synthetic rubber is from chemicals. Most of the Muslim countries produces 20% of the rubber. The main producer of rubber in Muslim world are Malaysia and Indonesia, and beside Muslim countries, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and India also produces rubber. Tea is points of tea: originally bush from China, now in Southeast Asia and Africa. Seeds crushed to get oil. Muslim countries produces 15% of tea. Bangladesh, Indonesia, Iran and Turkey are the main producers in the Muslim world. Dear students, open page number 13. Main points of coffee: discovered in Somalia and Ethiopia. Main producer in Islamic world is Indonesia. Also produces in Yemen, Ethiopia and Ivory Coast. Muslim world produces 15% of the total world supply of coffee. Dear students, open page number 14. Main points of cocoa: discovered in Mexico. It used for sweets. Indonesia and Malaysia are main producers. Produces 18% of the world's cocoa supply. Main points of the wheat: it is mostly grown in the temperate lands. It is the major product of Muslim countries. Muslim countries or Muslim world produces about 17% of the total world's wheat. Students, open page number 15. Main points of rice. Rice needs great deal of water and heat. Indonesia and Bangladesh are the main producers, produces about 18% of the total use. Dear students, these are some book reading questions of chapter number 3. Write these on sticky notes and paste on relevant page. Question number 1, how woolen clothes keep the body warm? Question number 2, which type of wool is used to make carpet? Page number 10. Which countries produces wool in the Muslim world? Page number 10. Why cotton is comfortable to wear in hot climate? Page number 11. Question number 5, which countries in the Muslim world produce cotton? Page number 11. Question number 6, what are the uses of the remains of sugarcane? Answer is on page number 11. Question number 7, how many types of rubber are there? Page number 12. Question number 8, how natural rubber is made? Page number 12. How synthetic rubber is made? Page number 12. Question number 10, which countries produces rubber in the Muslim world? What is the use of tea seed? Page number 13. Question number 12, which countries are the main producer of tea? Page number 13. Question number 13, how coffee is made? Page number 13. Which countries are the main producer of coffee? Page number 13. 15, what is the use of cocoa? Page number 14. 16, which countries are main producer of wheat in Muslim world? Page 15. Question number 17, what rice need to grow well? Answer is on page number 15. 18, which countries are the main producers of rice in the Muslim world? Page 15. What is the use of palm oil? Page number 16. Students, now mark the answer of book reading questions. Open page number 10. The first book reading question, the answer of first book reading question is, woolen clothes contain many small pockets of air which keep the body warm. The answer of question number 2 book reading, the wool from sheep and sometimes goats in Pakistan and Turkey, though much harder and rougher, is perfect for carpet making. The answer of question number 3 book reading, from Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkey and Central Asian states. Question number 4 book reading question is on page number 11. The answer is of question number 4 book reading, it is comfortable to wear in hot climates as it rapidly absorbs moisture released from the body as sweat. Question number 5 book reading, the leading cotton growing countries in this region are Egypt, Pakistan, Turkey, Uzbekistan and Sudan. 6 book reading question is, answer is, bagasse can also be used for animal food and for making a kind of board used in building ceiling. Question number 7th book reading. The answer is natural rubber and synthetic rubber. Types of rubber, natural rubber and synthetic rubber. Answer of question number 7th book reading. Answer of question number 8 book reading. Synthetic rubber is made from chemicals. This is answer of question number 9 book reading. Answer of question number 8 book reading is, natural rubber is made from the sap of number of trees which grow in tropical forests. This was answer of question number 9 book reading and this is 8 book reading question. Question number 10. Malaysia and Indonesia, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and some parts of India. This is answer of question number 10th book reading. Question number 11th book reading is on page number 13. The seeds from the tea bush are crushed to get an oil which can be used for cooking and sometimes as a cosmetic to make hair shine. Answer of question number 11 book reading. Answer of question number 12 book reading, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Iran and Turkey. Question number 13 book reading, coffee is made by roasting the coffee seeds and grinding them for brewing. Question number 3 book reading, answer is from here to here. Question number 14 book reading, Answer is Indonesia is the main producer of coffee in the Islamic world. Although considerable amount is grown in Yemen, Ethiopia and Ivory Coast. This is answer of question number 14 book reading. Open page number 14. The answer of question number 15 book reading question is, it is used as a drink especially for making sweets and chocolates, also used in some cosmetics and medicine. Answer of question number 15 book reading question is from here to here and then here to here. The answer of question number 16 book reading question is on page number 15. Pakistan and Turkey. Question number 16 book reading question. Answer is Pakistan and Turkey. Question number 17 book reading question. Answer is rice needs a great deal of water and heat. Answer of question number 18 book reading question. China and India, Indonesia and Bangladesh in the Muslim world. Question number 18 book reading is from here to here and then here to here. Question number 19 book reading question is on page number 16. Information box. Question number 19 book reading question. Answer is palm oil forms the base for a soap industry, and when refined and processed it can also be used as edible oil. Now mark the blank of chapter number 3. First blank is agriculture is the main occupation of the majority of people living in the Muslim world. Agriculture is answer. Second blank is on page number 11. Cotton is the one world's leading agriculture crop. Cotton is answer. Third blank is Muslim countries produce 20% of the world's cotton. 20% is answer. Fourth blank is on page number 11. Sugar is the product obtained from the juice of sugarcane. Juice of sugarcane is answer. Fifth blank is on information box. China is the world's biggest producer of cotton. Pakistan is the world's fourth topmost producer of cotton. China and fourth top producer is answer. Sixth blank is the remains of the sugar cane is called bagasse. Bagasse is answer. Seventh blank, Brazil is the world's largest producer of sugarcane. It produces 33% of all sugarcane in the world. Brazil and 33% are answer. Eighth blank on page number 12. Muslim countries produce about 20% of all world's rubber. 20% is answer. Ninth blank, tea originally bush from China is now grown widely in Southeast Asia and Africa. China and Southeast Asia and Africa are the answer of ninth blank. 10th blank is on page number 13. Muslim countries produce about 15% of the world's output of tea. 15% is answer. 11th blank in information box. 18% of all the tea grown in the world is drunk in the Muslim countries. 18% answer. 12. The word coffee comes from the Arabic word kahwa. Kahwa is answer of 12 blank. 13 blank. It means coffee. Coffee was discovered in Somalia and Ethiopia. Somalia and Ethiopia is answer. 14 blank. Muslim countries grow about 15% of world's total supply of coffee. 15% is answer. 15th blank in cocoa. Cocoa was discovered in Mexico. Mexico is answer. 16 blank. Cocoa became a very popular drink in Europe in the 17th century. Europe and 17th century is answer. 17th blank, Indonesia and Malaysia produces about 18% of the world's cocoa supply. 18% is answer. 18th blank is on page number 15. The Muslim world produces nearly 17% of the world's wheat. 17% answer. This is and last blank 19 on page number 16. Malaysia is the world's leading producer of palm oil. Malaysia is answer. Also learn this table. This is very important. It is the most important table of chapter number 3. So learn this table also. Student, these are some exercise questions. We will do question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 on page number 16. Cross question number 2 and 5. Now take out your notebooks for exercise questions. Note down exercise question. Exercise question of chapter number 3. Main agriculture products of the Muslim world. Question number 1. Which agriculture products do you think are most important? Number 1, rice. It is produced by Indonesia, Bangladesh and Pakistan. They export large quantity of rice and earn foreign exchange. Second is cotton. Muslim world produce 20% of the world supply and earn foreign exchange. Third agriculture crop is rubber. It is also important crop. Malaysia, Indonesia are the main producer of rubber in the Muslim world. Third exercise question is find out what other products are made from natural rubber. Answer, rubber is used to make tires, hose pipes, beds of machines, shoes and as an insulator. Besides these, water bottles, golf balls and rubber bands are also made from natural rubber. Question number 4. Pakistan imports and consumes a lot of tea. Find out amounts imported and consumed. Pakistan has to import huge amount of tea, almost rupees 126,532 million during 2007 and 8. Question number 6. Make a list of countries and their dishes. Answer, countries Iran and Iraq, dish chilo kebab, Pakistan chicken biryani, Saudi Arabia kabsa, rice plus chicken, Bangladesh salty fish, Egypt mulafia. Dear student, this is all about lecture number 3, chapter number 3, main agriculture products of the Muslim world. Learn all the book reading questions and exercise questions also and write in your notebook. Dear students, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.